I learned a special way of cooking pompano from someone near and dear to me. Everyone calls her Manay. Manay was a little girl during the Japanese occupation in the Philippines. Manay's parents were fearful of stories about the creation of comfort stations, places supposedly where many Filipino women and girls were forced to perform services for the occupiers. So, Manay and her parents fled to the hills of Bicol. After liberation, Manay and her family's resources were gone. Manay was told she could no longer continue her schooling. However, her quest for learning remained. At 19, she left Bicol for Manila. She met her husband, and together they built a restaurant business they named Acme. They raised a family. Manay always believed in self-empowerment, especially for girls, through education, because this was an opportunity she never got. She funded the schooling not only for her children, but also for children of friends, relatives, and neighbors. Today, some of these children are doctors and nurses, here and abroad, paying forward Manay's funding of their school. Some are even serving as frontliners during this year's COVID-19 pandemic. As for her coconut-rubbed grilled pompano, Manay starts with getting the freshest ingredients. A mild-tasting pompano has a nice flavor. Just a touch of certain sauces, like fish or soy sauce, complement its natural flavor. I don't think Manay just worked in the rub that spiced the fish. Rather, she massaged with a combination of skill and love. The sound of the fish snapping and sizzling takes me back to when I was a child, watching Manay skillfully flip the fish over the fire. We not only tasted the fish, but we felt her care and affection for us. Flowers for you, Manay. My mother. Love you, Mama.